Hey everyone! If you've been using Temu for a while, you've probably noticed something. The old free gift method doesn't always work the same way anymore. Codes that worked before, sometimes they don't trigger anything now. So in this video, I'm breaking down the new 2026 method for activating a Temu FREE gift code properly, without wasting time. Before we jump in, I've placed the latest working Temu FREE gift code right here on screen. It's also in the description and pinned comment, along with updated backup codes in case Temu rotates this one. Now here's what changed, what's different in 2026. Previously, people would open Temu, find free gift, enter code, done. Now, Temu is much more session aware. It reacts differently based on how you enter the app. Whether a promo link was used, account behavior, timing of activation, which means the sequence matters more than ever. The new method, step-by-step, step 1, enter through promotion flow instead of opening Temu directly. Click the first link in the description. This ensures Temu recognizes your entry as promotional, not regular browsing. That's the foundation. Step 2, activate before you browse. After opening the page, scan the QR, mobile, or use manual activation, desktop. Important, do not start browsing before activation is confirmed. Browsing too early often locks the app into retail mode. Step 3, confirm you're in event mode. Once inside Temu, look for free gift interface. Event screen gift selection option, reward tracker. If Temu looks completely normal, restart the process. Step 4, apply the free gift code. Now enter the code shown on screen. When done in the correct order, the event should respond immediately. Not delayed, not silent, not ignored. Why this method works better? Because Temu's system in 2026 is more dynamic. It adapts based on session context, entry path, promotion tracking, activity. Signals old random entry methods don't consistently trigger rewards anymore. Important reality. Note, this doesn't mean guaranteed high-value gift, unlimited rewards, instant luxury items. It means proper activation, visible reward logic, real participation in event flow. Final takeaway. If Temu free gift hasn't worked for you recently, it might not be the code, it might be the method. Use the updated flow, apply the code properly, and avoid skipping the activation steps. And if it works for you, comment what item you unlocked. I'm always curious what's trending this year.